Children, in this chapter determinant, in the first exercise we have discussed we have discussed how to take out the value of a determinant, and the same first exercise we have discussed how to take out the minors and cofactors. Second exercise we have discussed the properties of determinant. Third exercise, how to take out the area of a triangle with the help of determinant. Now this fourth exercise we are discussing adjoint and inverse of a square matrix. So right now I am explaining you how to take out the adjoint of a square matrix. How to take out adjoint of a square matrix. Adjoint is denoted by ADJA. ADJA. Clear? So how to take it out? Just take out the cofactors. We have discussed in the first exercise how to take out the cofactors and minors. So take out the cofactors and transpose that. You know how to transpose? We have discussed in chapter matrix how to transpose. Just convert row into column. Row is converted into column. So take out the cofactor and transpose the value. Now let us discuss the same thing. Suppose A is a matrix 2, -1, 4, 3. Take out the adjoint. How to take out the adjoint? Take out the cofactors of all these terms. Cofactor of 2 will be what? Cofactor of 2 will be -3. Cofactor of this will be 4. 4 will be -1. This I am not discussing how to take out the cofactors because we have already discussed in exercise 1. So we have taken out the cofactors of this matrix. This is this. Clear? Now take out the transpose of. Dash means transpose. This is the sign of transpose. So cofactors, first take out the cofactors, then transpose the value. It means convert this row into column. 3 minus 4 is converted here. 1 is in second row, it becomes the second column. So this way we take out the transpose of any matrix. Take out the cofactor. This is the cofactor, and transpose. That means convert the rows into column. Convert the rows into column. Now this is matrix of 2 by 2 order. Now we are discussing matrix of 3 by 3 order, and we are going to take out the adjoint of this matrix also. So first of all, like this case, take out the cofactor. Take out the cofactor of all these 9 terms. So only one element I am discussing once again because we have discussed this in exercise 1 also. So how to take out the cofactor of this 1? How to take out the cofactor of this value 1? 1 will be leaving this row and column. Leaving this row and column. 3 into 1 is 3. 5 into 0 is 0. Clear? Leaving this row and column. We are left with these 4 elements. So cross multiply 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0. We get the cofactor. Clear? So 3 1 is 3 minus 0. This is 3. Now take out the cofactor of -1. -1, again leaving this row and column. We are left with these 4 elements: 2, 5, -1 and -2 and 1. So 2 into 1 minus 5 into -2. This is -12. Same way, take out the cofactor of this. First, this is second row, first column. Second row, first column. Then take out the cofactor of this value. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. So we have taken out the cofactors of all these 9 elements. This I am not discussing because there is a separate video for taking out the cofactors. So take out the cofactor of all these 9 terms. This cofactor we have taken out. Now this is equal to this. 3 minus 12, 6, 1, 5, means place all the cofactors at their respective positions. All these 9 cofactors at their respective positions. And place a sign like this, transpose sign. Now we are going to convert row into column. Transpose means convert a row into column. Convert a row 3 minus 12, 6. 3 minus 12, 6 is converted into column. First row into first column, second row into second column, third row into third column. So this way we take out the value of adjoint of a square matrix. Clear? Now there are two properties. A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into IN. IN is I for the identity matrix, N for the number of rows and columns. Since this case is applicable in case of a square matrix only. So what will be the value of N? Suppose the matrix is 3 by 3 order, 3 row and 3 columns. So we have to take the identity matrix also of 3 row and 3 column. If this would have been 2 row and 2 column, so in that case identity matrix, that is value of N, will be 2 by 2, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. So this N depends how many rows and columns are there in A. Suppose A is a square matrix of 3 by 3 order, so we have to take identity matrix to be 3 by 3 order. If it would have been 2 by 2 order, then we should take this as 2 by 2 order. So this result is applicable where? This result is applicable when it is said that these two results are applicable when it is said that without computing adjoint A, find determinant of adjoint A. Without computing means without doing this cofactor method. Without doing this cofactor method, we have to take out the value of adjoint A without this method. So we have to use this method. What is this? This method shows whenever we have to take out the adjoint of A, let us explain the second point also. So when it is said that take out the determinant of adjoint A without computing, means without this method, directly we can take out the determinant and square out that value. Means there we have two results. This result when we have to take out this value, and this result when we have to take out this value. So these two results are applicable when question says that without computing find this or find that. So in this case, without computing, find determinant of adjoint A. We know the result. Determinant of adjoint A is equals to square of the determinant of A. So take out the determinant value. Value of this determinant will be minus 24. Square this value, we get 576. We are getting 576 by squaring the value of the determinant A. So this will be equals to this without using this whole procedure. So when it is said that just take out this value without computing adjoint A, without taking out the value of adjoint A, just take out this value. Just we have to take out the determinant and square that value. And if it is asked, this we have done. If it is asked, find the value of this one without computing again. So whatever we have taken out here, we know that result says this equals to what? Determinant of A, this we have taken out, minus 24. What is IN? IN is the identity matrix, so write the identity matrix and determinant of A. So determinant of A we have written minus 24, IN identity matrix we have written here.